Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for coming back here. Guys, as you can see, we're gonna be juicing today. But I'm not going to be juicing all these fruits. I'm only going to be using the papaya today to make my 100% papaya juice. Papaya has a lot of health benefits in it, guys. Papaya can also be used as an laxative. So eating papaya can also help you to clean your colon.
Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wash off the papaya before I peel it.
And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run, go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Always wash your fruits and vegetables when you go to the grocery store to buy them, because sometimes they fall on the floor and then all different type of people, be shopping and touching up the fruits and vegetables. So always make sure that you wash them before you put them in your refrigerator. Okay?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And here's the washed papaya. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to peel the papaya. And after peeling it, then I'm going to slice it up and get it ready for the juicer. Papaya, guys, is a very filling fruit. Papaya can also be curry. You can also cook papaya with saltfish. It tastes so good. So try it, guys. So I've finished peeling the papaya. Guys, consuming papaya every day can reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, even diabetes. Papaya also lower high blood pressure. So if you're having high blood pressure problems, you need to start eating papayas every day. So now that I've finished peel the papaya and I cut it in half, I'm going to use a spoon to scrape out the seeds from inside of the papaya. Guys, and if you're still here with me in this video and you have not yet subscribed, please remember to hit the red subscription button, turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified when I post a new upload. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Please remember to like the video, share this video out, and leave some comments underneath the video. Thank you.
Like, comment, and share.
Look how beautiful this papaya is looking. Very rich in color.
So you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run, go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC.
Now I'm going to slice the papaya, getting it ready for the juicer. Let us enjoy this video, guys.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC.
Look at this 100% papaya juice, guys. Very refreshing, healthy, good for your body. Yes, guys, drink up your papaya juice. Eat up your papaya. Eat up your fruits and your vegetables. Look at this refreshing juice, guys. Look at this papaya juice. Try it out. Thank you so much once again for watching. Thanks a lot for your continuous support. Blessings and love to each and every one. Blessings to the viewing public. Thank you guys for watching always. Thank you guys for the share out. Thanks for the thumbs up. Take care of yourselves, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye, guys.